Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a connected keyboard. This lets Windows apply system-level defaults. First, press Win+I to open settings so you don't waste time hunting menus. Once settings is open, navigate to time and language, and then typing. This is the hub for keyboard behaviors. Make sure to keep the on-screen keyboard available if your physical one fails so you can continue. These steps put you directly where Windows stores keyboard preferences and input methods. Now you'll clear layout conflicts and refresh drivers. In advanced keyboard settings, choose your preferred input method and click to reset input language order. This removes stray layouts. Next, open Device Manager, expand keyboards, right-click your device and uninstall the driver. Then restart Windows to let it redetect hardware. If Windows doesn't reinstall correctly, download the latest driver from the keyboard maker and install it manually. Doing both layout and driver steps addresses finish by confirming the active layout under language settings and typing in Notepad to verify behavior. Small typos reveal mapping issues. If problems persist, run Settings right arrow System, right arrow Troubleshoot, right arrow Other Troubleshooters, and run the keyboard troubleshooter to auto-fix common faults. Make sure to reboot after changes so registry and driver updates apply. If nothing helps, try a different USB port or boot to safe mode to isolate third-party interference. This single tip often identifies whether software or hardware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.